and welcome to my channel. This is Eleni, and today I'm going to show you an easy and fun way to practice on shading faces while I continue to create faces with different hairstyles for the Halloween challenge. So I'm using these face charts that are by Davenport. This is the first pad with these faces here, and these are from a second one that also contains black sheets of mixed media paper and tracing paper. But I keep them all together in here. I create journals with them like these, and they are ready for me to play in and practice shading. For today's purpose, I'm going to use one of these faces that are without hair, and I'm going to create a girl inspired by the prompt long hair share, using colored pencils, soft pastels, paint pens and markers, but also some interesting and fun dot markers that you will see me use to create the background with. There is also a part 2 of this video where I create a second girl using another of the 3 hairless faces. I did create them both the same day, but due to my very slow internet connection, I have to upload videos that are as short as possible, so you will see her in the next video. Hope you enjoy my process and get inspired to use face charts or face stamps or face stencils or whatnot to create your own journals that will be ready for you to practice your shading in whenever you want. And this is it for now. Hope you enjoyed my process and maybe got some inspiration. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos. Thank you so much for being here. See you soon. Love and kisses.